2024. You should be knowing the first lady who gave up her life.
Very much happy, and I express heartfelt gratitude to our eminent host who introduced me with this much warm introduction. It is a normal routine for me to work like this. It is nothing extra for me. It is just a job of me, and I know it is very much important because I have a high responsibility. If my one report gone wrong, the person who is not a victim, he not a culprit, he may get into jail, and he may get his family, everything will go bad. So it is our responsibility to give a correct judgment, correct evidence, collect correct evidence. If we lose one hair sample in the crime scene, we may put that person in a jail. So we may put some innocent in a jail. So it is very important for us to find out a crime scene. Okay. Today, as a special occasion here, recognizing and honoring the women who achieved something, I am very much happy to attend this function, and this is totally a different fraternity I am attending this time, because it is all our business people. I am into always into education, into research conferences and all. It is the first time I am attending this business people. To be acknowledged as an achiever by IICCB, and I extend my sincere appreciation to the organization for this recognition. And nothing is impossible. As we all know, our Muslim lady is into police department. Everybody tell, wow, why, how, everything will come at a time. So at the time when I got this job offer, at that time also my family, my parents, everybody were tensed. Oh, how you go to the police? It is not safe for girls. My brother asked, how you are going? How many girls will be there? You will be alone. It is not like that. Many girls are there, but they are non-Muslims. Some of we have in out of 100 we have 2-3 Muslim girls, ladies, and it is very much important for us, for me, to guide our community kids who are all very much intelligent, very much progressive. They are all very much educated, but they don't know how to get into these jobs. These are the services like IAS, IPS. These are the very much important services which can serve our country. Our community people, as I am into the crime, I always see many crime, anything happen, it will come directly to this community. Why it is? It is, I feel very bad at that time. But I want our people to get into these type of jobs and recognize themselves as people who serve this country. And it can happen. It is happening. I am very happy to see these many businesswomen and the young children who are here, and Dr. Mashallah, who is into the she is going for the PG. I heard it is very nice. Education, we all are giving education to our kids. That is for sure. Now we are not in the history. We are into the present history. There are so much barriers are there not to send to our childs to the school and all. Now it has changed. When I was there before 10-15 years, it was very challenging for me to do masters. As my father is a retired deputy tahsildar, he know the importance of studies, and he supported me to do the MSc. but he couldn't able to support me for the PhD. It was a dream for me and as well as for my father, but I could not able to do because of the typical thinking. If you do PhD, you will not get the boy to get married. So first, my father wanted to get married. So I got married, mashallah, to a nice person who gave encouragement for me to do and to pursue what are my dreams. Okay. Not only my husband, my parents-in-laws, everyone were very supportive. After that, I got a baby, mashallah, girl baby. When she was in the two years, I got a job from this forensics. Till that, I was a lecturer. Then, when I got a job, I got some challenging situations in the house. Because of that, I have to go alone with the baby to the unknown city, Mangalore. My first posting is in Mangalore. So I got the suggestions, just quit this job because it is very difficult to manage a kid and a job, that too police department job, where work norms when we see, we had to attend crime scenes, we had to go to the crime scenes. It is 24 hours job. Whenever the crime happened, we had to go. Crimes will happen only in the holidays and in the night. We had to go. So working days, we will be in the office. Only crime happen in the nights. So it is very difficult to take care of a kid alone. When night crime happens, I have to go. So there were a lot of difficult situations. When you see me as a success, behind this a lot of difficult situations were there. So how we could manage this? When I went to the crime scenes at night, my husband is in Bangalore. He is an engineer. So he used to call my daughter. She is 3-4 years like that. He used to call her and he used to be on call whole time until I come from the crime scene. So being she is a 3 years, 2.5, 3 years, it was very difficult for me to leave her in the house. So but we left her because it is my father was telling, daughter will happen or kids will happen to everyone. It is not the one, you are in the world you are only one mother, not you are only one mother. There are so many people who are mothers who are taking care of their family.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मुस्ना तबस्सुम, मैं सीनियर साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर एफएसएल पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रही हूँ. मुझे आज IICCB वाले रिकग्नाइज कर को अचीवर कर को अवार्ड दी. मुझे बहुत खुशी है. ऐसा हमने रिकग्नाइज करें जिससे सब कुछ भी पॉसिबल है, कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं है. अब जस्ट उठको करने की देर है बस. पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट हम कौन भी नहीं जा सकते, लड़कियां क्यों कर सकती हैं, सभी अदना की सोच है. बट वो छोड़ को आगे बढ़े तो सब फील्ड में भी हमारे अदना लड़कियां आगे जाको कुछ कर सकती.
आप एक टफ जॉब अंजाम देती हैं.
हाँ.
कैसे आप काम करती हैं एक खातून होते हुए, एक फैमिली की जिम्मेदारी को अदा करते हुए?
फैमिली की जिम्मेदारी सबके पास रहती है. फैमिली की जिम्मेदारी भी निभा कर जॉब करे तो हमें कुछ कर सकती हूँ. सो नहीं तो घर में बैठती हूँ.
पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में आप कैसे?
बहुत सारे मुश्किलात रहती हैं, उनको सबके डट कर सामना करे तो उतना हमें कुछ कर सकती हैं. हमारे पास दिल में इरादा रहा तो हमें कुछ भी कर सकती.
एक डिफरेंट फील्ड आपने कैसे सिलेक्ट किया और यहाँ पर कैसा आपका जाना हुआ इस डिपार्टमेंट में?
मुझे बहुत पसंद था कुछ हमारे कंट्री के वास्ते हमें सर्विस देना हर को बोल को. जब ये कॉल हुआ, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉल हुआ मेरे क्वालिफिकेशन को, मैं अप्लाई करी. इंशाल्लाह मेरिट के ऊपर मुझे ये जॉब मिला. शुक्रिया.
कहना चाहेंगे आप?
सब कुछ मुमकिन है, जस्ट हम उठ के करने की देर है बस.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. बेंगलुरु में IICCB इंडियन इस्लामिक चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड ब्यूरो की एक और शानदार पहल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स एंगेजमेंट प्रोग्राम N2N का इनाकाद, साथ ही विमेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन की खूबसूरत महफिल। जी हां दोस्तों, 9 मार्च 2024 बरोज हफ्ता बेंगलुरु के JW मैरिट होटल में इंडियन इस्लामिक चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड ब्यूरो IICCB का एक अहम तरीन इजलास मुनअक़द हुआ। मकसद था बिजनेस एंड इंडस्ट्रीज़ के फ़रोग़ के लिए मौजूदा तकाज़ों और ज़रूरतों को समझना, माहिरीन के ख़यालात को जानना और एक दूसरे से मुलाकातें करते हुए बिजनेस के फ़रोग़ के लिए नई राहें, नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ से हम आहंग होना। इस इजलास का एक अहम मकसद आलमी यौम ख़वातीन इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करना था। लिहाजा 3 ख़वातीन जिन्होंने अपने अपने फील्ड में आला मकाम हासिल किया है, अपनी पहचान बनाई है, ऐसी ख़वातीन के अचीवमेंट्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करते हुए अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। फालक्रॉम स्टूडियो की बानी और मशहूर सेलिब्रिटी हुस्ना रहमान, प्रोटोकॉल कंपनी की बानी और MD कौसर खान और पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट FSL की सीनियर साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर हुस्ना तबस्सुम को IICCB ने अवार्ड से नवाजा। इस मौके पर IICCB के प्रेसिडेंट KM नूरुल अमीन ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के मौजू पर इंतहाई मालूमाती लेक्चर पेश किया। अवार्ड हासिल करने वाली ख़वातीन ने भी अपने एक्सपीरियंस और तजुर्बे की रोशनी में बिज़नेस डेवलपमेंट के लिए कई कीमती बातें कहीं और मुस्लिम ख़वातीन को एक अहम तरीन पैगाम दिया। मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी, मेमोरी स्किल के माहिर, हैंड राइटिंग एक्सपर्ट और मशहूर मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर रफ़ीउल्लाह बेग की निज़ामत ने इस महफिल को 4 चांद लगा दिए। इस इजलास के ज़रिए मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के ताजिरों, सनतकारों को ये पैगाम दिया गया कि वो अपनी तिजारत, बिज़नेस को आला मकाम पर ले जाएं, मुल्क की तामीर व तरक्की में बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा लें, पॉजिटिव सोच के साथ आगे बढ़ें। अहले हिम्मत मंजिल मकसूद तक आ भी गए, अहले हिम्मत मंजिल मकसूद तक आ भी गए, बंदे तकदीर किस्मत का गिला करते रहे, बंदे तकदीर किस्मत का गिला करते रहे। जुनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।